Welcome all to the video lectures of Signals and Systems. In this video, we are going to solve some examples of operations performed on a signal. First of all, we'll write problem statement. Sketch the following signal. X of t is equals to u of t plus r of t minus 1 minus 2u of t minus 3. Now here we can observe given signal x of t is combination of three different signals. So let's plot each of these signals one by one. First of all, we'll plot u of t. We know that u of t is a unit step signal whose amplitude is constant 1 for all values of t greater than equals to 0. Next signal is r of t minus 1. We know that r of t is ramp signal which linearly increases. So r of t minus 1 is delayed ramp signal by factor of 1. Hence, here r of t minus 1 will continuously start growing from t is equals to 1. And next signal is 2u of t minus 3. Now u of t minus 3 is nothing but delayed unit step signal by factor of 3. As it is delayed by 3, it is shifted to the right by factor of 3. So it will start from t is equals to 3. And it is amplitude scaled by factor of 2. So it will have the amplitude 2. Now to get given signal x of t, let's prepare a table of amplitudes of these signals for some sample values of t. So let's take some sample values of t is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we know that u of t is changing from 0 to 1 at t is equals to 0 and remains 1 for all values of t greater than equals to 0. So here, while taking the amplitudes, we'll take both amplitudes at t is equals to 0, that is 0 to change 1 and remains 1. R of t minus 1 will be 0 till 2 and from 2 onwards it will increases by 1. U of t minus 3 will remain 0 up to 3 and at 3 it changes from 0 to 2 and remains constant 2. Now while performing the operation, let's consider initial value and then final value. So 1 plus 0 minus 0 will be 1, 1 plus 1 2, minus 0 will be 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 0 3, 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, minus 2 that is 2. So let's plot the signal x of t. At t is equals to 0, the signal is changing from 0 to 1. So we'll take the amplitudes at 0 and 1. Then at 1 it is 1, at 2 the amplitude is 2, at 3 the amplitude changes from 3 to 1 and at 4 the amplitude is 2. So let's connect all these points, we'll get the final signal x of t. Similarly, we'll go for this second example of same category. So sketch following signal. X of t is equals to u of t minus r of t minus 1 plus 2 r of t minus 2. Here also we are having three different signals. So let's plot these three signals first. First of all, u of t. We know that u of t is a unit step signal which is having constant amplitude 1 for all values of t greater than equals to 0. R of t minus 1 is delayed ramp signal. So it will start from t is equals to 1 to grow linearly. So it will have the amplitude 1 at t is equals to 2. Similarly, 2 r of t minus 2. So r of t minus 2 is nothing but delayed ramp by a factor of 2. So this signal will start from 2 and it will have the amplitude of 2 at t is equals to 3. That means for single change in t, the amplitude will be changed by 2. Let's prepare the table for sample values of t. We'll take some sample values of t 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. U of t will change from 0 to 1 at t is equals to 0 and remains 1. R of t is 0 till t is equals to 1 and from t is equals to 2 it will start increasing by factor 1. Similarly, 2r of t will have amplitude 2 at t is equals to 3 and 4 at t is equals to 4. Now perform the operation on amplitude of this signal by considering initial and final values separately. We'll get the amplitudes of x of t. Let's plot the x of t for sample values of t. At t is equals to 0, the amplitude is changing from 0 to 1. T is equals to 1, amplitude is 1. At t is equals to 2, amplitude is 0. At 3, 1. At 4, 2. And it will linearly keep on increasing. So if you connect all these points, we'll get the final signal x of t. So these are some simple examples of sketching the signal by performing the operations on a signal. Thank you for watching the video.